In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design Happy New Year poster, banner, card, etc. using free method. So go to my video description, then click on the first link, then you are redirected to this canva.com. Canva is absolutely free photo and video editing software you can use right now. So after login, you can face this dashboard. Now you need to click on create. So if you are a mobile user, you are also eligible for using this platform or this website canva.com. Absolutely, Canva app available on Play Store. First download, then going on here, then you can see I type here Happy New Year. So here is a 7 type of design I found already: Happy New Year card, Happy New Year video, photo challenge, a banner, poster, and Chinese New Year poster, etc. So I choose on. You can choose any others as well, whatever you want. Then you know going on design, then you type heavy new year poster, then click on enter. Then you found it lots of free template you can use and customize ready for post. But if you want to customize more, this is available. Happy new year, wow, this is good. Then this one also good, 2026. Yes, so if you want to did not like it's just design your own way, this is available. You can add element. So I type here new year, then click on enter. Then you can found out lots of free graphics template. This is a, or you can add on here. Wow, this good. So if you want to download this on this design, you can type here okay in a name, then click on share button, then click on download, then select jpg or png, then click on download as well. So that's it. Now you can share this design to your friends, to your uncle, to your network, your community, etc field. Don't worry, this is your own design now. Wow, excellent design. So if you have any questions, please comment below, and if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you in the care. Goodbye.